What are you doing? Bella. She's right here. What you doing, honey? What? She wants to play with her toy. Have fun over there, Bella? Huh? Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Bella. Go ahead. What the heck? Bonnie. Go play. Huh? You can play with her. She likes you. Oh. She's like, give me that toy. That's not yours.
Bella.
Bella.
Give me that toy.
Give that to me. She's like, I don't think so.
You got it before. You're not getting it again.
Nope. Bella.
Take some deep breath.
She's like, what the heck? Bella. No.
I told Melanie with sweets and everything, I'm going to cheat on my diet, then tomorrow I'll go back on my diet.
That's what I'm going to do too. Most, but I did very well. Bella. What are you going to do? Take it from her? You're going to tease her?
Don't you agree?
Here we go again.
Bella.
Bella.
Hey.
Look at her. She's so funny.
Bella.
Bella.
Recording this?
Yep.
Bella. Look at Bella.
Hey, Tom.
Hi, Mel. Taking
Happy-
a video, are
Yep.
you?
Happy Easter, Tommy.
Well, happy Easter to you, Melanie, and your beautiful viewers.
Come here, Bella.
Oh, jeez.
It's in the refridge.
Oh, jeez, it's in the refrigerator.
Oh, we go again. He's not touching that one.
No, he's not. He doesn't know what to say.